You've probably seen these action figures all over the internet lately, and yes, that's what they're called, they're action figures, not dolls. Anyway, they're essentially toy mockups generated using ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you how you can make your own and turn them into short AI-generated videos using Flixier. It's all super simple, so let's go through the steps. First and foremost, you'll need to open ChatGPT and make sure you're using the 4.0 aka the Omni version. Next, you'll need to upload a photo of yourself or the character you want to turn into an action figure. After you upload your photo, you'll need to use this prompt. You can pause the video now to copy it or leave a comment saying prompt and we'll send it to you. Once you've done that, your image will be generated in just a minute or two. Chances are the toy won't look quite right from the first try. Tweak the image by giving ChatGPT more specific prompts to help it recreate your features better, or ask it to make the figure look more like a toy or more realistic depending on your own preference. Once you're happy with your image, it's time to turn it into a short video. To do that, we'll use Flixier. Go to Flixier, click on Start Editing, then go back to your dashboard and open the AI Tools section. There, you'll find a tool called Image to Video. If you're watching this on YouTube, we're also going to drop a link to it in the video description to make it easier to find. After you open the tool, upload the image you previously generated with ChatGPT and then enter your prompt. This is the one we're using for the example. Again, you can pause the video and copy it or comment video prompt and we'll just send it to you. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Your video will be created in just a few seconds. Keep in mind that AI isn't always perfect and you might need to experiment with a few different prompts. We recommend trying to describe the kind of movement you want your figurine to have as clearly as possible before generating your video. If you do that, everything should turn out well and you'll get a more realistic video. At the end, all that's left to do is to download your video, or even better, continue editing it. You can use Flixier, a user-friendly online editor that runs in your browser and doesn't use up any of your computer's resources. For more tutorials, or if you want to learn how to write scripts or edit your videos easily, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, happy editing!